Hey crypto kids, I'm back. So it's been a while since I made a video, a little over a month now. I have not left the crypto space. I've still been around. Those of you who are on Telegram, you know we have the Crypto Kids Telegram group. I've been in there, provide information. I've still been keeping up with the market and new projects, which I have more videos coming up for all those. And if you guys ever want information, remember the link is down in the description. You guys can always join the group and send me private messages or join the chat or any other group that I'm in. Alright, so it's been a while. It's been mainly because of life has gotten a hold of me, you know, family, been busy with a lot of things. But for the most part, I'm going to be coming back now and bringing more videos to you guys. I hope everyone's been doing well. I miss you guys very much. It's like a crypto family. Well guys, let's get into this a little bit, okay? So what we know as social wallet that I've reviewed before, they've done a rebranding and they're now called Airwire. This has kind of been a while. It's been kind of outdated, but I gotta bring it to you guys for those that maybe only follow my channel, just in case. Okay, so everything's the same. It's just a brand new website, brand new name. Their token metrics, everything's the same. Nothing's changed on that end. However, you know, they did announce that they want the tokens transferred out from their platform at least by the 31st or the 30th of July. So if you haven't done that yet, download their wallet and get them transferred. Okay, so real quick, there's a notice here where you can go wire token, and you guys can check out here on airwire.io, and you could check out their website. It's basically the same thing as a social wallet, just been transferred over and maybe a little updated on the roadmap and such. Okay, so here's a little update they gave us on their token sale numbers. The Airwire token sale was completed on Saturday, June 30th. See, over a month ago, about a month ago. The token sale included a general public sale and listing agreements with cryptocurrency companies who wanted to participate on our platform. Each deal had its own terms in which a final audit was necessary before we upheld our agreement with the community to burn any tokens not purchased during the sale. We are proud to announce that we have formed 18 partnerships during our token sale. Many agreements were finalized during the last day of the sale. While most have been announced, there are still a few more to disclose. Several partnerships are still under NDA until both parties mutually agree to publicly disclose the partnership. We look forward to releasing the rest of the partnerships as the NDAs are lifted. Collectively, there are roughly 170 million that have been sold, swapped, or under company control out of the 250 million. The remaining 79 million will be burned according to the terms of our token sale. The burn will take place on Wednesday, July 11th, so it's been already done. Our masternode and proof of stake rewards will remain unchanged following the burn as per our white paper. Rewards calculations. The overwhelming success of our token sale will enable us to move forward with an even more ambitious business plan, an increased spread of innovative products and technologies, as well as a more direct route into our target markets. We will produce further announcements in the near future covering our existing roadmap, as well as coverage on how we will capitalize on the amazing opportunities that now present themselves. Moving forward, we have so many things to be grateful for: a great community, great partnerships, a cutting-edge platform, an aggressive but achievable game plan. We look forward to you continued supporting us as we graft all these great accomplishments into a massive ecosystem that will propel the entire crypto space into a brighter future. So there it is, guys. They got many partnerships. They're still on the final terms of agreements and when to disclose the partnerships. They had massively sold their ICO. Not everything, they didn't sell out, but they sold a majority portion of it, which is great to see. It means they have plenty of funds to continue. And I've been speaking, if you guys don't know Crypto Alex, just speaking with Crypto Alex and a bunch of other YouTubers that are in this project, and you know, they have more connections with the project team, and there's a lot coming. You know, nothing that he can say. It's been kind of undisclosure, but there's a lot of things coming. These guys have major plans, and I look forward to everything coming here. Now guys, remember, I will be posting a little bit more now. School's coming up. We decided we're going to put our kids in school, A, to kind of give them a jump start and get them learning a little, and B, so that we can get a little more time to ourselves. I can post videos while I have more time with business, just kind of in general. Oldest next year will be in pre-K, so why not get him a little started now and learning a little bit. Alright, crypto kids, well, time for me to go back to duty. Bye.